In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Discord start on a second monitor. Now you can now only see my two displays over here. However, there's only half of them because I can't record the other way, but it's still going to help you to actually get this to work. So the first thing you have to do here on your first monitor, as you can see right now, you want to go ahead and put down Discord inside windowed mode like this, and then you want to take it over to your second monitor. After this, come to your primary display, go down to the bottom right, open up the hidden icons, right click on Discord and click on Quit Discord. When you do this, you then want to open up Discord back again, and it should start opening up Discord on your second monitor. So this is going to start loading on the first one, and then it should start actually opening up, there we go, on the second monitor. And then if you actually want to have it full screen, you want to just repeat this again, however inside full screen mode. So click on the full screen mode to actually enable full screen mode inside Discord. Go back down here at the bottom, show hidden icons, right click on Discord and quit Discord again, and then yet again whenever you open it up like this, it's going to actually open up on your second monitor. There we go. As you can see, it's already opening, but it's now opening in full screen, and whenever you now open it up, it's always going to pop up on your second monitor. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.